Ndarora uguo ndirona mwarimu eguku. Mwarimu ni okire ngwataniro na akiuga ni arenda kuhoerwa honoke. So you can see him. A 78-year-old. All those years. Nduri wona bata wa kuhonoka. You have just a niche. Ya munyakate diari ngwataniro. Otherwise, we could not have prayed for you. Because that is joking. The moment you see you are dying, the moment you see niko higora higama hitho, that is when you are coming. I am coming to serve. Who are you coming to serve? Na goko ndoge ikara uguo tuhu tondu turage gwitikiririe. You will be the usher. Ate usher. You will be the usher. No korithagia ng'ombe na goko cia usher. No. We cannot allow. Not in this church. Not in this church. Not here. Not now. Definitely. No keremo kwira mundu ikarire giti ta giki. No remo. Can you? Andirarigwo muno. A 78-year-old. We ona ndurakagirwo nyumba kuria. Because you are too old. Maronaga, you are too old. You are about to die. Nyumba matire magwakira koguo maramenya wega kuri urathi. Iherero. Now you are making them to start thinking of planning how to build their houses. To build that gold house. I am wondering, what kind of a creature are you? What kind of a creature? I am shocked. So, as a church, we have given you that mandate. You need to look closely at the people, their seating arrangement, ukamenya hane ho mabati guikara. Kana ugure mugunda uri tondu kure tutirona kongethie. Ugure mugunda kure kwa Leeds Property Solutions. Yes. Uthie kure Juja Farm, ugendereda 40 by 80. Marendia raithi muno 660,000. Na wena makuhe cashback ya 5,000. You get that land, title deeds are ready, go and build there. We will help you as a church. Definitely. I'm feeling fatigue. Yes. So, ladies and gentlemen, that said, Negwali na Mr. Robert, Leeds Property. Kana muhure namba yake ya thimu 0782 161 099. Na ukora igutaithia. So, Gamini, come and greet the people.